Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Jessica if you haven't been before, and today I am doing a bit of an eyelash tutorial slash haul video. So today I received this package in the post which I was extremely excited about. Inside are 4 or so pairs of lashes from my favourite lash brand, which is Girls with Attitude London. So I'm just gonna brief you a little bit first. So I one day went to Primark and I found these lashes that weren't like Primark brand, but they were Girls with Attitude, and I thought, okay, well I'll try them, they look great. And so I did, and I don't know if you've seen my other videos, but they are genuinely my favourite lashes ever. And I couldn't find them anymore in there, so I went onto their store online and I bought some more. Anyway, these are those lashes. So I have a confession in the fact that I have already opened these, although I'm making it look like I haven't because I've resealed it. So you can just pretend that this is an unboxing video and I'll pretend to look surprised. So let's get this open. Also, when this arrived in the post, I was super excited because look how snazzy that is. It's just really sparkly and nice. These have fit very well in this packet. So here we go, I'll get them all out. Okay, so these are the 4 pairs of lashes that I got. Okay, so the first pair that I'm going to show you and talk to you about are these ones, because I already had these and I think I've shown you them in videos before, but they are the Mythical Merbabe lashes, and these, I love them so much. I already know that I love them so much because I've already owned them, but I broke them, so I had to get some more. And here they are. You know, I've tried various other lashes before and I've never felt like they're easy to apply, but these actually are, and yeah. So I think in this video I'm going to maybe do a little demo just to show you them on, do a try-on video-ish thing. So I'm going to put these on now and show you. Okay, so here are the first lashes, the Mythical Merbabes lashes. I just think they are so nice. They're just so wispy and, but they're not too sort of, this sounds weird, but they're not too sort of natural looking, which I often like because I obviously do my dramatic makeup look, so I want it to look like the lashes are bold. So these are nice and bold, but not too harsh, which I really like. And I don't know, I just think they make my eyes look fluttery. No, I just think that they are really nice and, you know, easy enough to apply, which is great. And yeah, I don't really want to take them off now, but I kind of have to show you the next ones. Okay, so I think the next ones that I'm going to show you that I got will be these ones. So these are Madame Butterfly lashes. I just think it's from their classic range. It doesn't say like mythical or fantasy or anything, so yeah, they're just called Madame Butterfly. And when I saw them on the website, I just thought of how wispy and lengthening they look. Like, they look crazy. So I'm really excited to try them and just see what they look like. These ones don't feel as good quality as the Mythical lashes, but I don't know, they were a bit cheaper, so yeah, let's just try them. Okay, so these are the Madame Butterfly lash ones. I don't really know what to make of these. I don't think I like them as much as the other ones. They were a little bit harder to apply. I don't know if it's maybe because the strip was a little bit thicker and so it made it less easy to sort of mould with my eyelid, or whether it's just, I don't know. I do like them. Like, compared with a lot of lashes and lash brands, these come out on top and I just think they're really nice. But I think I definitely prefer the Merbabe's Mythical lashes. But having said that, these ones actually, I remember why I bought them now. So they were in the sale section and they were just £2.50. So that is really good for lashes. And they're very lengthening. Look, you can see how far out they come, which is kind of the look a lot of people go for when they're going for lashes, because you want your lashes to look more lengthened and voluminous. And yeah, I think they're nice, but not my favourites. I feel so bad literally just putting them on and then taking them off. Okay, so the next pair of lashes that I'm going to show you are these ones. I think, to be honest, I think they look quite similar to these ones that I've got now. So I think they look similar to the Madame Butterfly ones. But these ones are actually different and they're called Diva. So we'll just see what they look like on. These, I've literally just taken them out of the packet. They feel so weird. They're so spiky. Like, they're not very wispy, but I don't know. I'll see what they look like on. One Lash Chocolate Stop. Okay, so I am not happy with this lash application whatsoever, but equally I don't think I am going to get to a point where I'm happy with it, because they're just so, I hate to say it, but they're really hard to work with, this particular pair. I'm kind of gutted because in the packet and on, they do look really like they give you so much volume and length, but the band is really thick and so it just makes it really hard to apply, which is such a shame. But yeah, they are really lengthening and they do give so much volume, which is a really nice effect, and they do, yeah, I do like them. But just because of the fact that they're so hard to apply, I don't think that they would be ones that I would pick again. I feel like that's such a shame to say that, because in general, like, this Lash brand is really good, and if someone were just to try this pair, they might think that they weren't so good. But yeah, I think maybe their newer range of lashes, so the Fantasy, the Mythical range, I think they're a lot better, and maybe they've improved them since they made these ones. And I think these are like one of their older pairs, so that's probably why they're not quite as good. But yeah, they still look nice on, but just not as easy to apply. This is my last pair of lashes that I bought. So these ones again are from the Mythical range, and these are called Siren. And these are the ones I was the most excited to try on because they just look so amazing. They look so wispy and fluttery and just so gorgeous. Wow, these are dramatic. I feel like I've just got a million lashes all of a sudden. They're so fluttery. Wow. That's amazing. Like, seriously. These are literally probably the flutteriest lashes I have ever tried on. Wow, they feel so light. I actually don't feel really like I'm wearing false lashes right now. They're so nice. Like, you guys probably think I'm exaggerating, but I don't think I have ever tried lashes that are so cheap yet so amazing. They feel like such good quality lashes, and I just want to point out this is not a sponsored video or a PR video whatsoever. I literally just went out and bought these lashes and just thought, well, let's see what I think and do a video. And yeah, I love them. I am definitely going to be buying these again when they break, or just, yeah. So yeah, these are from the Mythical range as well. So I really liked the Mermaid's lashes, and obviously these are the Siren lashes, and both from the Mythical range. I just don't really know what else to say, but you can see that they're very lengthening and give you so much volume, and they are extremely dramatic. And obviously when I normally do makeup looks with lashes, I have got like dramatic eyeshadow and winged liner and stuff like that, but today I've got pretty much no eyeshadow on and just my brows and mascara. And yeah, I think that they look, I don't know, I think they finish the look off quite nicely, to be honest. I think from just wearing them for this last 5 minutes or so, I think I feel like I'd be comfortable in them for a long time and they wouldn't get annoying or anything, because the band is just so thin, not in a fragile way, but the band is just so thin and flexible that it just feels really comfortable. So those are all of the pairs of false lashes that I got from Girls with Attitude London. I had so many mixed feelings about those lashes. Obviously, as you know from the video, I really liked the fantasy, I keep calling them that. I really liked the mythical style lashes, so I got Siren and Mermaids, and I've got the Siren ones on now still, and I just really love both of those. They just feel so wispy and just lightweight and really nice to wear. Whereas this sort of range, again, I think these are just their classic range. Maybe they have improved them since then, but they just felt a bit, I don't know, they just felt a bit cheaper and not as plush or quality. Oh, I like them so much and I'm so happy that I bought them. I wish so badly that I had bought more in the range of the Mythical Lashes. So yeah, that is it. That is everything I got, as I said, and I don't have anything else to show you, which is very sad, but yeah. I am gonna go now. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. It's just my mini Girls with Attitude haul. Go and check out the brand. They are really great. They've actually reposted some of my makeup looks before, which has been really encouraging and nice, and that was sort of what made me want to try more of their range. So yeah, I will leave you guys in peace. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. You don't have to, obviously, but if you want to, that would be very kind of you. Which were your favourite lashes? I would love to know what you thought from seeing them on me. Let me know which your favourites are down in the comments below. And I will see you next time. Bye then!